Have you ever wondered what the true dragons think of Rimuru now that he's become the 5th true dragon? Veldora is thrilled, treating Rimuru like a little brother and even jokingly claiming, "I raised you." Their bond is strong, filled with camaraderie and a sense of family. For Velgrund, though, things are more complicated. She initially couldn't accept Rimuru as family because she thought he had killed Veldora to gain true dragon powers. This led her to hold a deep grudge against him. But once she learned Veldora was safe, her attitude changed. She began to see Rimuru differently, even thanking him and calling him a benefactor for his role in protecting her brother. As for Velzard, her feelings are still a mystery. It's uncertain if she can sense Rimuru's new true dragon status or if she even views him as a sibling yet. Until she openly recognizes him, her stance remains unknown.